RLF AgTech is a technology-driven plant nutrition company. Its unique Plant Proton Delivery Technology combines advanced chemistry and manufacturing practices to create high-quality plant nutrition products that deliver commercial agricultural increased crop yield. Importantly, these products, which augment the natural requirements of seeds and leaves, deliver these higher crop yields without compromising ESG standards. RLF AgTech is today earnings positive and is steadily growing its geographic footprint. Joining me is Managing Director Ken Hancock. Ken, welcome to Market Lit.
Thank you. Good to be here.
Now, Ken, RLF AgTech has harnessed science to create a technology that generates increased crop yields by boosting the natural requirement of seeds and leaves. In a language non-scientists can understand, how does this science work?
Well, in terms of, if we think of the plant as really, it's a large green solar panel, and it takes light energy from the sun and it converts it into chemical energy and sugars to grow. And this is one of the critical factors around generating crop yields. What we do at RLF is we add to that effect by giving the plant a direct energy source in terms of our Plant Proton Delivery Tech to create additional sugar production in the plant, and we combine it with critical micronutrients. And we apply these through the seed and the foliage of the crop, so the leaf of the crop, which are far more efficient pathways than through the soil. And this all culminates in quality and yield increases for our growers.
RLF AgTech says the Plant Proton Delivery Technology used to create the company's product range gives it a first mover advantage. How much time did it take for RLF AgTech to get into this position of strength?
Well, it's really taken the culmination of decades of work from our highly experienced team of scientists, researchers, and our commercial team to develop our business to this point. However, it's over the last 7 years or so that we've had some major breakthroughs with our technology that's really taken it to the next level and allowed us to take it global. And that's it with a specific focus on our Plant Proton Delivery Technology.
Now, the plant nutrition products created through RLF AgTech also come with substantial ESG credentials. How is the company attempting to commercialise the carbon efficiencies inherent in its products?
One of the key benefits of using our technology is that we increase the organic matter and organic carbon in the soil when our products are applied. And that acts to build the plant's ability to sequester more CO2. For the first time, not only can we increase yields for growers, grow healthier crops, improve their profits, but we can now monetize the value of soil carbon. So we see this as a really exciting future growth area for our business.
And Ken, while Australia is well known for its agricultural products, its share of global production is quite small. What is RLF AgTech's strategy for getting a share of the much larger global commercial crop agricultural market?
Well, in recent years, we've really had a main focus on Asia. We see that as a really key market over the coming decades with the food requirements and the increased protein diets in Asia. So today, we've got over 100 staff in that region to focus on that opportunity, and we've been able to steadily build our business there. But there's some really other exciting opportunities for us in other markets around the world. And in recent years, we've started work in Canada. We've got trials going on in the US, in South America as well. And these are all enormous markets in global agriculture. So over the next few years, we're really looking to diversify our revenue base outside of originally Australia and Asia and into these large international markets.
RLF AgTech is already EBITDA positive, with this earnings metric almost doubling in the company's 2021 financial year. What drove this result, and what is expected to bolster RLF AgTech's revenue and earnings in the current year and beyond?
During the last financial year, we had a real focus on cost reduction. We did have some impact from the effects of COVID in the markets we were dealing with, but we're really pleased that we're now coming out of that in our key markets. But what we did during that time was we focused on continuing to build the good relationships we have with our distribution partners throughout the region, and also focused on our key market segments and improving our gross profit percentage. So I think we lifted our average gross profit by about 8% during that time. And going forward, we really see enormous opportunity to increase our volume in our business in new markets through the acquisition of new distribution partners. So really building on the strengths on our experience in a number of markets today and taking that global.
Finally, Ken, globally speaking, there are a number of tailwinds, such as the world's requirement for more food and the need for agricultural efficiencies, while of course increasing production and of course carbon management. What do you think will be the most significant factors to fuel RLF's future growth?
Yeah, so some of the most significant factors are going to be the absolute requirement to be more efficient with traditional chemical fertilisers that are growing into the ground. We know the environmental impacts that creates. We know the also how that limits profitability for our growers as well. So there's going to be a great focus on efficiency, and we're already seeing some governments around the world cut back chemical fertiliser inputs into the soil. So with our products and the efficiency of those products, we see that as a major driver. In addition to that, the whole carbon requirement and need to build soil carbon and make healthier soils is a really important driver. Why we see we can play a major role in this area is because building carbon is a byproduct of what we do in creating yield. And we see that as a really important point of differentiation in this part of the market, because a lot of people are looking to just simply add things to the soil and build carbon and add actual cost to the grower. Where in our system, they can actually reduce their fertiliser inputs so they can save money in that part of their budget, they can increase their yield, and they can monetise their carbon.
Ken, thank you for joining me today to introduce RLF AgTech.
Thank you, good to be here.
And thank you for watching. Now, if you like what you see, please be sure to like and share the video and drop us a comment at Market Lit. Get in touch or subscribe to all Market Lit platforms across Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook and Instagram. Market Lit is all about exploring tomorrow's trends today, so tune in and take note.